Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. The topic of our today's lecture is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a decrease in level of thyroid hormone. And thyroid hormone is very important as it is responsible for an increase in the metabolic rate. It is involved in various metabolic processes in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and other important constituents inside our body. So in our today's lecture, we will study about this disease, why it occurs, and what is its causes and pathogenesis. So just let's start with it. As I told you that hypothyroidism is a decrease in the level of thyroid hormone. Now, this disease can be due to some functional causes or due to some structural causes. Like there may be some genetic defect or congenital defects in the development of the thyroid hormone, or maybe there is some viral infection, or maybe there is some defect that is causing a decrease in the thyroid stimulating hormone, and there is some defects in the parenchyma of the thyroid gland, because in the parenchyma there is the precursor of the thyroid hormone that is present, that is then iodinated and converted to the thyroid hormone. So both structure and functional reasons can cause the hypothyroidism. Then again, if there is hypothyroidism, this will decrease the body's metabolic rate, and when the body's metabolic rate will decrease, ultimately the patient will suffer from the myxedema. It will have the puffy face and swelling on the skin, on the face, or on the lower legs especially. So these are some prominent features of the hypothyroidism. We will discuss them in detail in later sections. So discussing more about this, the hypothyroidism can be the primary and the secondary. So we will study about all of these things in detail.